How to repair cement garden statues. Cement garden statues are available in a wide range of styles and shapes and are a way to add interest to a landscape. In fact, many are expensive works of art as well as valued treasures. Unfortunately, cement statues are susceptible to breakage by falling tree limbs, being knocked over, or cracks from cold winter temperatures. If your beloved garden statue had developed some flaws, you can repair it using basic concrete repair materials. Things you'll need: garden hose, soft bristled brush or non-abrasive sponge, quick patch epoxy, putty knife, grinder optional. Move the garden statue away from any delicate flowers or plants, with the help of another person if it is heavy. If pieces have broken off of the statue, look on the ground and locate them so you can reattach them. Dampen the cement statue with a garden hose until all surfaces are wet. Scrub the statue gently with a soft bristled brush or a non-abrasive sponge to remove all dirt and grime that may interfere with the repair. Allow the statue to sit for at least 24 hours to allow all of the moisture to evaporate from the cement. Read the instructions on a quick patch epoxy product and prepare it as instructed. Some epoxies come in multiple tubs that are mixed together, while others are in a single tube and mix automatically when you squeeze it. Apply the epoxy to the cement statue cracks or chips by squeezing it on, or applying it with a putty knife if it is in a tub. To reattach part of the statue, apply a 1/4 inch layer of epoxy to both the broken piece and the statue and press them together for 2 to 3 minutes. Wait 15 minutes and scrape off all excess epoxy with a putty knife to prevent it from hardening and developing ridges or bumps. Allow the statue to sit undisturbed for 24 hours to allow the epoxy to harden. Move the cement garden statue back into the desired location. Tips: warnings. If the repair develops ridges or bumps, sand them down gently after the epoxy is dry using a hand grinder tool.